amazing. Uh-oh. Jesus. Give me a thumbs up when the tires hit right here, okay? And run if it explodes.
What?
Run away if it explodes.
Okay.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Day 2. The car's really loud still. And I have some really nice neighbors have stopped over, talked about the car a little bit. Someone told me they had one back 20 years ago, but I think it's a little bit too loud. And I'm going to be working on this thing and starting it. I can't fit the other exhaust system over that rear axle yet, so I just picked up, like $40, cheap muffler here. It looks pretty good. We're going to put it on so I can do some more work to the car. I don't know. Let's do this. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, cool decal. Don't touch it. Don't even look at it. Okay, it's cold out today. It's like 30 degrees. Let's get some cushioning down there so I don't freeze. Switched my sweatshirt. I don't have that many nice clothes, so I don't ruin everything. Oh, we got a pretty good oil leak still. Oh my God. Now, one problem at a time. There it is. That's a lot, but I hope to God it's still those valve covers. Maybe I didn't get them on tight enough. Or it's going to be the oil sending unit, or it's going to be the rear main bearing, or something else. But let's first get on. Let's get on the exhaust pipe, or the exhaust muffler right here. Nothing is ever easy. That fits on there. And that's not. Okay, well, let's go to the store. Well, maybe we're not putting the muffler on here after all, because it's not going to fit. Ay, ay, ay. Well, after the failure with the muffler, I decided to give it a whirl and see if I can sneak the full exhaust on. So I jacked up the rear end, popped out the rear shocks, and then looking over here, decided to kind of drop down that sway bar as much as possible. No way. I tried for a while. No chance, unless I want to cut it into 1,000 pieces. We'll save this project for the exhaust shop in the spring. We're going to go with the Cherry Bomb glass pack. There we go. That's a little better. At least there's some kind of exhaust on it now. All right, so here's what I purchased. I purchased a rubber Felpro gasket. I had one gasket, go figure, just one, but it's a cork style. And I guess these aren't as good for, or actually these are very good if you're never going to remove the valve covers. I'm looking at this one. I can't quite tell. It kind of looks like, I think that is actually cork here. So we're going to try the rubber ones this time. Pretty interesting. It's got some like hard washers in there, probably help with compression. And then these pieces here, if I can open them up. these, I guess, kind of like help spread the weight or spread the distribution. So this will go sit on like that, and then we put our bolt through it, and it will help kind of spread out, I guess, the torque or like the push down on it, and hopefully kind of seal it up. It looked like it was leaking around the back, so we're going to go ahead and try that out. I hope it works. These weren't cheap. These were like, I think they're like 60 bucks. But apparently these rubber ones, there's like steel inside, but they're supposed to last, you know, multiple times of taking the valve covers on and off. So we'll give it a shot. All right, let's get these off. This is the tough one down here. Let's get this gasket off. Let's go take a look at it here. Okay. What's up, buddy? What are you doing?
Why are you put
I'm working on it right now.
Yeah, can I say something?
Uh-huh.
I was supposed to go out where it was like this.
What is she doing? Oh my God. She's half on the little heating pad. Is our turkey almost ready? We got about, I think, about an hour. Okay, here I put the covers back on and tightened them down, snugged them up, but did not crank them on too tight. Hopefully it works. All right, at this point, my dog ate my microphone, so I had no sound. And what I did here is just kind of clean up the harmonic balancer, a little guide plate, and then went ahead and did do the timing, set it to about 10 degrees. And I also set all of the carb screws back to their original factory settings. I figured this would be a good place to start, and then we'll go from there. Hey, let's see how this sounds with the cherry bomb. Might have done it. Thanks everyone for sticking around and watching this short video. It's running a little better. Still quite a bit of work to do. This is definitely not as fast as it looks, especially when you're watching on TV. But thanks for the comments. Thanks for the help. I'll keep asking questions. Keep helping me out. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe if you're enjoying this. And I'll keep showing the progress no matter how slow it goes. Thanks, everyone.